This is Eagle. Eagle catches fish. One fish equals one meal. Simple life, happy life. But Eagle works hard. He catches more fish. Now Eagle is rich. Eagle proud. But wait, here comes the government eagle. Nice fish you got there, Eagle. We need some for the community eagle confused. Government eagle takes one fish. This is income tax. You earn fish. Government eagle takes fish. Later, eagle goes to buy some shiny stones. He gives one fish, but government eagle says again, tax, takes one more fish. That's sales tax. Even when you spend your fish, tax again. Eagle thinks, maybe I should build a fish school. Teach small eagles to catch more fish. He builds it, money flows in, but government eagle is back. Nice vault you got, eagle. You're rich now. So, tax again. That's wealth tax. Not what you earn, not what you spend, it's what you already have. Eagle size. Every time he earns, spends, or saves, fish gone. Sometimes government eagle says, for the good of all eagles, we need more tax. Eagle works harder, ends up with same fish. Sometimes worms become expensive. Eagle's cost goes up, but tax stays same. Feels like another tax. Eagle tired. He asks how to survive this. Then, idea. Eagle invests, buys better fishing rod, catches more fish faster. If Eagle's fish grow faster than the tax rate, he wins. If not, he just flaps in circles. In the end, tax builds the eagle world. Nests, rivers, skies, but too much tax. Clips eagle's wings, balances everything. A fair world is where all eagles can fly high and still keep enough fish. Remember, we are all eagles. Catch fish wisely, and don't forget to subscribe.